If you've ever tried to inspect a rare coin or solder a tiny PCB on a standard fixed stand, you know the frustration of having zero workspace and a sore neck. Welcome back. If you're looking to liberate your desk and finally see the big picture of your projects, the Hayve Microscope Arm Stand is the essential workspace upgrade for 2026. This isn't just a metal rod. It is a high-mobility gas spring suspension system that turns your digital microscope into a floating laboratory. The standout feature for 2026 is the 360-degree rotation and plus or minus 270 degrees tilt, allowing you to position your microscope at any angle. Unlike the cramped stands that come in the box, this arm offers up to 25 inches of height, giving you enough clearance to view an entire $1 coin or a full tablet motherboard in a single shot, making it the ultimate coin microscope mount. What makes this Hayve mount a smart investment for 2026 is its universal 3-in-1 base. You can secure it using the heavy-duty C-clamp for a damage-free desk edge mount, or use the grommet base for a permanent, ultra-stable through-the-desk installation. It is specifically engineered for a high-precision fit with models like the DM9H 1.37-inch mount, and is broadly compatible with the DM4, DM9, MS1 and MS3 series. Built from solid aluminum and capable of holding up to 3.5 pounds, it eliminates the shake that plagues cheaper plastic stands, ensuring your focus stays sharp even at high magnification. Click the link below for the best price and reclaim your desk today. If this breakdown helped you find the perfect setup for your hobby or trade, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the tools that actually give you the edge. See you in the next one.